Okay, this is a fun one to do. I thought I should just kind of try out the Mega Crybaby in pink. It is super cute. I thought it's spring, cherry blossom season. Why not get something pink? So, yeah, you can see me unboxing it, and you're just going to take a look as to how I would go about doing this. It was interesting. It wasn't perfect. I find that there is a bit of a magnet at the bottom that's slightly... It's not very strong, but that's okay. That's okay. This is super cute. I have yet to put on the little extended clips, but we will do that for the next video. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. We will have more things coming, and yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. And in case you didn't know, the music in the background is the music that I did produce a while back. So if you're interested in the music production angle, I do teach that on this channel, and I have a couple of playlists. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions, plus the painting in the back is actually my piece.